Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate voice recorder app, then open it. It should be in Samsung's folder. If you never used it before, click on while using the app or only this time in this pop-up. Now tap on allow in this one. And finally, click on the best mode for you at the top. Standard, interview, or speech to text. In my case, standard. When you're ready, click on this red button to start your recording. If you want to receive notifications from voice recorder, just allow in the pop-up. If you don't, just tap on don't allow. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this bookmark icon. And in order to end it and save it, click on this square one at the bottom right corner. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and select one of your categories. You can even add one. Then click on Add and choose Save. As you can see, my recording was finally successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to make some changes, you can tap on one of those options or select this pen icon at the top right corner. Then you can manage it however you wish to. And click on Save when you're ready. If you wish to discard those changes, click on Edit instead. Now choose Discard in the pop-up. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you need to go back, hold it, and tap on this delete icon at the bottom. Then choose Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!